Hey guys, it's Roman at CarTips. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I Plastidip my wheels. So this is a Volkswagen Golf GTI, and it's my friend's. He's actually doing the dip job, but this is exactly how I would do my wheels. So the first thing you want to do is clean off the rim surface. I use the pre-dip spray here. It just ensures that the Plastidip will bond to the rim very well. But you can use any old cleaner you want, even car wash will do. Make sure the surface is bone dry before applying anything. Then we use some dip release to apply to the tire wall surface. This ensures that the Plastidip peels nice and easy off of the tire. Make sure to not apply any of this compound onto the rim because you don't want Plastidip peeling off of the rim. All these products, including the dip release, the pre-dip spray, as well as the Plastidip itself, can be ordered online at dipyourcar.com. That's where we bought ours. I will leave a link to their website in the description. Before application, you want to shake the Plastidip really well so that it mixes inside before you spray. Also, I recommend test spraying the spray pattern before you spray it on the wheel. First coat should be nice and light and misty, not full coverage, just a really transparent coat, making sure that the first coat doesn't leak. After that, you can flash dry, a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes between each coat. And we applied, like I said, 4 coats of this regular gray Plastidip before moving on to the gold. It is very important to build up layers because if at any time you want to remove the Plastidip, change it a color, or maybe return the wheels to stock how they were, it's going to be very hard to peel the Plastidip. It may look great and you will really be tempted to stop at 2 or 3 or 4 coats, but trust me, if you ever want to bring back the original color or respray, you want to apply 6 to 8 coats to ensure easy removal in the future. So after our 4 coats, we're spraying the last 2 coats, coat 5 and 6, with the more expensive gold color. It's actually a copper, I think, copper color that he ordered. But yeah, on dipyourcar.com you will see all kinds of colors. You get to choose and pick whatever wheel color you want. Each can is like $10.20 or something before shipping. Whereas the gray Plastidip, or white or black or whatever you want to put underneath, is only like $5 at your local Walmart store. So that's why we use the cheap gray as a ground, as a base, and then we're only using 2 or 3 cans of this gold stuff that we ordered from dipyourcar.com. It's a little bonus tip to save some money there for you guys. So we gave it about 20 minutes of cure time, and now we're peeling off the excess Plastidip off the tire due to the dip release spray. Very easy. Now curing times may vary due to temperature outside, so I don't know. Give it a 20-30 minutes just to be safe before you handle it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. He's just installing the wheels back and away we go. Thanks for watching the video, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm very active. I usually reply to every single comment, so yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Peace guys, and have fun Plastidipping.